What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do some cool stuff. We're actually going to do a color change tutorial. So grab a deck of cards and let's get right into it. So this is what a color change looks like. So you're going to take the ace of clubs, and what we're going to do is we're going to take it and go 1, 2, 3. And you slap it down and it turns into the king of hearts. Now this is super simple. All you got to do is you're going to take your cards, you're going to flip over the top card, okay? So the king is up, and what's actually happening is that right below the king is the ace of clubs. So what you're going to do is you're going to try and get a break under it. So I normally just kind of peel up on the king, and then I take the rest of my thumb and peel up like that, okay? And then what you're going to do is you use your pinky to keep it from falling down and giving you problems. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your thumb from that corner, you're going to put it into that corner, and then you're going to grab this far corner so that you're holding it corner to corner. And what you're going to do is you're going to show it to your audience. So if you're doing this on video, show it. You're going to lift up, and then you're going to twirl with your pointer finger like this and slap it down. And it changes into that card. You can also do it as a shake, which I like better. So you take it, you do the same exact thing, but you hold it over the deck, and you take the ace, you just shake it, and it turns into the king of hearts. And that is a very basic and easy color change. This is very cool if you want to do something for the camera, if you just want to do something fun to be for a video, just change it. It looks really cool. Also, if you're a magician and you want to change it to the spectator's card, you can do that as well. There's also this way, so instead of doing it diagonal, you can also do it where you hold kind of offset on both sides, and then with a very deep grip, you can just flip it over like that. I don't like that way because it's a little bit difficult to pivot. This one's easier to just spin and land perfectly. So if you wanted to do that, it's easier. Also, I feel like you want to get the middle finger on the far end. That way it is easier to spin the card. That way you're not reaching too hard, or you have to flick it this way. It's very difficult to kind of do it this way. So it's easier to have the middle finger on the far end and your thumb on the closer end. And then you slap it down, and that is how you do a color change. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Be sure to subscribe and like this video. And comment what you guys want to learn next. I know that, some of you are possibly new to magic, and I really want to help you guys out. I know that, there's tons of magicians on here that teach magic, but I want to be the one to help you guys out and with what you want. So if you have any preference, or you just want some basics, comment below what you want, and I'll try and help you out. But thank you guys for watching. Color changes are probably one of the best things as a reveal or just something visual. You can even do that where you just do the back of the card. So you can actually take a red back and a blue back, and if you just want to do something for video, if you're not a magician, you can just make it change color and it looks so cool to fool your friends with. But otherwise, the best thing is to, that's how you find someone's card. So keep practicing. Hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe, and more videos coming to you soon. Take care.